A sun-drenched limestone staircase with blue and terracotta mosaics winds through lavender and bougainvillea. Olive trees frame the path to a fountain-filled courtyard below. A winding staircase of river stones and mossy wood descends into a shadowy forest. Glowing mushrooms and fairy lights create a magical realm, ending at a hidden stone bench. A sleek concrete and steel staircase with LED lighting rises through a rooftop garden. Succulents and poppies contrast the urban skyline as sunset paints the glass railings gold. Stone steps cascade down a tropical hillside past banana plants and heliconias. Natural pools and waterfalls accompany the descent to a shaded wooden deck with rattan furniture. Uneven cobblestones softened by creeping time wind past wicker baskets of roses and sweet peas. A jasmine-draped arbor crown stares alive with bees and summer butterflies. Weathered stone steps with wrought iron vine railings ascend through an enchanted forest. Fairy lights twinkle among foxgloves and moss-covered statues beside a babbling brook. Polished concrete and dark wood steps with minimalist railings lead to a rooftop garden. Sculptural succulents and bamboo surround a striking geometric water feature. Sun-bleached teak stairs wind through towering banana plants and bird of paradise blooms. A cascading waterfall and humid air create a hidden jungle paradise atmosphere. Aged limestone stairs with moss and climbing roses lead to a wisteria-draped archway. Golden hour light bathes terracotta pots of lavender in a nostalgic romantic glow. Adobe brick steps wind through agave, yucca, and desert marigolds in a curated xeriscape. A trickling stream creates an unexpected lush oasis amid the sun-baked landscape. Limestone stairs overlooking turquoise sees wind past magenta bougainvillea and olive trees. Jasmine-covered railings lead to a mosaic landing bathed in golden Mediterranean light. Moss-covered stone slabs ascend through ancient oaks, forming a cathedral canopy. Hydrangeas and foxgloves bloom beside a trickling stream in this enchanted fairy tale setting. Dark volcanic stone steps flanked by carved dragon balustrades rise through bird of paradise and orchids. Lotus ponds and frangipani blossoms create spiritual tropical serenity. Honey-coloured Cotswold stone curves through rain-kissed peonies and climbing roses. Glistening droplets on Lady's mantle lead to a sage-green gate hiding secrets beyond. Granite stepping stones ascend through fiery maples and raked white gravel patterns. A stone lantern and clicking water feature embody tranquil Wabi-Sabi autumn beauty.